What's up, guys? It's Alex. Today we have something extremely important to go over before the market opens. Okay, so thank goodness you probably have your notifications turned on, okay, because this is extremely important. Okay, so it's a VIX divergence. Check this out here, okay? So look at the VIX after hours. Look what VIX has done. All right, it is completely dropped out from 41 down to 37. Okay, now what has the market done? All right, obviously I think you guys know it's down pre-market. And look, the market dropped about 40 points after hours. Okay, now it's up a little, but now let's compare these side by side because I think you guys know um, that if the VIX is going down, the market should be going up, right? So it's a huge divergence here in a sense that the market was down huge, yet the VIX continued to go lower. Okay, so this is a bullish divergence for the S&P 500 today. So now that all these companies have reported earnings, the big tech, Amazon, Apple, okay, what might actually happen, okay, we might have to disregard all the data we've collected, everything, okay, because what's forming does not really happen ever, not very often at all. Okay, so what could happen is they might actually buy the heck out of all the tech stocks today after their earnings. So you see, we usually short the stocks after their earnings, but today might be a special case. Okay, so let's look at price action as the day is going. All right, now look at Amazon pre-market, only 23,000 volume. Okay, so it's down, what, 50 points, but only on 20K pre-market volume. Check Apple. Apple usually trades with about, at this time, it is 637, 737 actually. And at this time, it usually trades with 800K pre-market volume. So Apple is down on strong volume. But after earnings, sometimes you usually expect more volume than that. Okay, Google usually trades about 10,000 pre-market volume, I believe. Let me check my notebook. This is where I write down my pre-market volumes. Okay, this is down on 20,000 pre-market volume. Typically trades at about 10, 20,000 pre-market volume. So it's just average volume, right? They're not doing anything on crazy volume. So Google I still like to short possibly, but Amazon, guys, as of now, that's a scary trade to short, and at least we know from the open it's got high probability to bounce. Okay, and that's when we're talking about possibly shorting it as it reaches these top levels. But please be careful today because what is going on is not normal, and it's very misleading. Okay, so like I said, the market grinds lower. Same with the VIX, and it should be the exact opposite. VIX should have been spiking to the moon when the market dropped 40 points here. Okay, so please be aware of that. All right, this very well might be the bottom. Okay, and you might see institutions come in and buy the heck out of this bottom in the S&P. Right, it very well could be. Okay, so please be aware of this, guys. If we're at least aware of this, then if we have any short positions, we can easily cut out of them, take the loss, the short, tiny little loss, okay, and trust me, that's going to be way better than a colossal, $10,000, $30,000 loss you might take on Amazon today, okay, so please keep this in mind, guys. This could be the savior of the day, is noticing the VIX divergence, okay, so I hope you guys are paying attention to that yourself and notice that, and if you didn't, thank goodness you stumbled upon the video, guys. It's extremely important. Okay, so with that being said, I'm not going to give any trades for the day. I'm just going to trade based off my instinct, based off the charts. And with that being said, with such uncertain conditions, I don't feel confident to give you guys any trades today. Okay, so I have my own trading ideas, but I'm not going to say them because things can change so quickly. All right, and you already see that VIX divergence there. All right, so guys, that's the most important thing you need to know going into the day today. Make sure you're aware of it, all right, and make sure you're willing to take a loss quickly if things change up very quickly on you, because that's the kind of market we have. All right, so guys, I'm Alex, the day trading champ. I hope you found this useful today before the market opens. Honestly, one of the most important things we could have went over. Okay, and I will see you guys on the next video. Make sure you drop a like if you haven't. Make sure you're subscribed if you aren't, and I'll see you guys next time.